Hi everyone, welcome to Gigi's Creation. For today's project, we are going to turn this container into a wall planters. But before that, let's go for my intro. So we are going to use this again, an empty fabric softener container. I'm trying to remove the top part and we just use the bottom part, but I'm going to keep the top part for future project. As you can see guys, it's a struggle for me to cut this off because my knife is very old and anyway, I made it. It's a struggle though. And then I made two holes behind my container, and now I'm trying to stick this contact paper as another leftover from my old projects. I'm just trying to reuse all the stuff that I had for ages, and I'm trying to stick it in, and as you can see, it's not very good the way I cut the container because I don't have a proper tools. But anyway, I'm trying to stick this using the zip tie into this screen. I also had this from my other projects before. Okay, so I'm just reusing them. You can as you can see, it's not very good the way I put the contact paper because honestly, the way I cut the container is not very smooth. So, but anyway, I'm just giving you some ideas, guys, and I'm trying to zip these things behind this screen. As you can see, it's very easy job. Okay, and now this is the outcome. As you can see, it's very nice. I really like the texture or the looks of this contact paper, but I couldn't find this anymore once again. Anyway, that's the wrap up of our project, and thank you very much once again for watching, and I see you again next time. Bye bye.